What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. This video is going to be all about the things that you should and must change when you get your Galaxy S20 device. Let's jump into it. First, what you want to do is go into display. So swipe down from the top, go into the gear in the top right, and then you want to go into display. Once you're in display, you're going to see at the top light and dark mode. I love mine on dark. It makes it easier to see for my eyes. You can keep it on light, but regardless, if I were you, I'd do it on dark. It's gonna say be better with battery life and also easier on your eyes. The next thing you wanna do, staying in the display settings, is you wanna go down to motion smoothness. If you really wanna take hold of one of the coolest features of this phone, turn on motion smoothness. High refresh rate, 120 Hertz. Turn that on now. It does reduce the resolution of your display to 1080p plus. Theoretically, it basically cuts it in half almost, and you could have it at 2K plus, but regardless, just try it out. There's really, per your eye, you're not gonna notice much of a difference in terms of the resolution, but you will notice it with the smoothness of your phone if you set it to 120 Hertz. So once you do that, hit the back button again, and what you wanna go into next is screen mode. Go into screen mode, set it to vivid. It looks so much better than natural. It makes the colors pop, the darks, the whites, the colors of the screen, just makes it look amazing. So set it to vivid. Staying in the display settings, you'll see accidental touch protection. Turn that on. What that means is that if you accidentally touch your phone in a dark place, come on, don't get dirty with me, in a dark place, it'll just stop it from being touched. Like if it's in your pocket or something, perfect, make sure you turn it on. It's a great thing to do. Touch sensitivity, I also turn that on as well because you already have a screen protector on there. If you didn't know, Samsung puts one on there, so it just makes the touch sensitivity a little bit more sensitive, so turn that on. Also, what you wanna do is go to Video Enhancer, click on that, and turn that on. What that does is that it makes, like when you go into your different video apps, it makes them all nice and bright. Almost like, you know, you're gonna watch a movie or something and you want it to be nice and bright, it's gonna do that for you automatically with certain video apps. Hit the back button so that you're back on the display settings, and then hit the back button one more time so you're on the regular settings. And work your way down until you see advanced features. Click on advanced features and you're gonna see side key. Tap on side key. Make sure double press. I'd turn it on because when you double press your power button, you can make it do certain things. I set it to quick launching the camera. It's a great way. If your phone is off, you can double tap it and it'll go right into the camera. If you want to be, if you're within an app, say whatever, and you double tap it, it's gonna go right into the camera. Set it to that, it's a smart way. Also pressing and holding the power button. Now you can have it set to Bixby, but don't do that. Make it go to the power off menu. It's the smartest thing to do because of the fact that, and how long a phone's been out? They've been out for, you know, years and years, decades now at this point. So when you press and hold that power button, you want it to turn off the phone. You don't want it to launch Bixby, trust me. Hit the back button again, you'll be back on the main screen of additional features, and go into the next one, which is reduce animations. Turn that on. When you turn that on, it's gonna make your phone feel faster, I don't know, just more fluid. Staying within advanced features, click on motion and gestures, tap on that. And I literally have all of these turned on. I'll run through them real quick. Lift to wake, if your phone's on like a surface and you lift it up, the screen will turn on so you don't have to tap anything or press anything. Double tap to wake, double tap when the screen's off, if you double tap the screen, it'll wake up the screen. Smart Stay, if you're looking at the phone, it won't turn the display off while you're using it, even though you might not be touching anything. Smart Alert, turn that on if you want to. Your phone will vibrate when you pick it up after missing calls or receiving messages. It's just a smart thing. Easy mute, so mute incoming calls and alarms by putting your hand over the screen or turning your phone face down. Palm swipe to capture, so if you run your palm across the screen, it'll capture a screenshot, so you don't have to press power and volume down. Swipe to call or send messages. So I turn all those on. Why not? It's a very easy way to make your phone cool. Next, hit the home button on your phone so you're back on the home screen, and launch your camera app. So go into your camera app, and here we go. I'm launching there we go. I'm in my camera, and you want to go into settings, tap the gear in the top left. You're gonna go into settings, and what you wanna do is you wanna go into rear video size and front video size. Click on rear first, and I set it by 16:9, and I set it to UHD 60, so 3840 by 2160. It makes the video look really smooth, and it's really high resolution, 4K. It looks great, and it's not gonna be, it'll be big file sizes, but again, you're gonna get great video. Hit the back button, and also stabilization will work on it. Hit the front video size, and again, go to resolution, set it to 3840 by 2160, also known as 4K, and make sure it's on 60 frames a second. Again, awesome looking video, stabilized, amazing, definitely wanna change it. Hit the home button. What you wanna do is press and hold on a blank part of your home screen and go into home screen settings. Once you're in there, there's a couple of things you wanna do here. Add apps to home screen, turn that on. So when you download a new app from the Google Play Store, it'll automatically add that app to your home screen. I love having that feature. A big one in here, swipe down for notification panel. Make sure that's turned on. What that's gonna do is, since, you know, instead of having to reach all the way up at the top to bring down your notification panel or your quick toggles, you can do it from anywhere on the display. It's a godsend, it's amazing, definitely do it. Back on your home screen, swipe down, go and press the Wi-Fi notification button so it brings up your Wi-Fi. And then in the top right of the Wi-Fi screen, hit the 3 dots, go into advanced. And what you want to do is you want to turn off network notification. When you turn that off, that's going to stop those alerts that you get, those notifications that you get, that when you're in an area where there's new Wi-Fi, open Wi-Fi, it won't alert you. If you want to get alerted, by all means do it. I hate those notifications. They pop up all the time. They're annoying. I turn that off. The other thing that I have the thing I do have on is turn on Wi-Fi automatically. I turn that on so that basically what it does is it knows when you connect to certain Wi-Fis and it looks at your location. So like when I get home, my Wi-Fi is always on, but when I leave my house, my Wi-Fi automatically turns off, saving me some battery life. And then when I get to another location, maybe I go to a friend's house that I always connect to their Wi-Fi, or work or someplace, it'll automatically turn Wi-Fi back on and connect for me without me having to turn on and off the Wi-Fi. And the last one, swipe down from the top and look for Dolby Atmos. Once you find it, press and hold it and turn it on. It's gonna improve the sound quality of the sound that comes out of the speakers and the sound in general. It just gives it a more full, more wide range sound, and there's different settings or EQs you can use. You can use auto or movie or music or voice. Turn it on, it's a great setting to have on. There you guys go. Those are my must-have settings that need to be turned on for the Galaxy S20 Ultra and pretty much any Galaxy phone at that point for the most part. So let me know what settings you always turn on or off in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys down the road. Peace!